Okay, you want to hear my craziest story about being a criminal defense lawyer? So I was appointed as backup counsel to represent somebody who was facing the death penalty on a RICO case. He was a gang member in a prison gang, and he was charged with a bunch of other people in this RICO case, which is racketeering. And there were some murders involved that took place in the prison. So the first time I went to go meet this guy, he was in what they call death row at the Metropolitan Detention Center in downtown LA. And they brought him around to meet me, and he was all shackled. He was living in a tiny cell all by himself with a very thick metal door. And they would have him kneel down and put his wrists inside the slit where they would cuff him. And then he would come out, they would shackle him, they would bring him down the hall to the visiting room. And when I got to this floor, they made me give them everything, even though I'd already checked in most of my stuff downstairs when I first got into the jail. So I'm sitting in this room waiting for him. And there's a reversible glass, so the agents outside or the officers sitting outside can see what's going on in the room. And I see him shuffling toward the door. He leans down again, puts his hands through this little slot, and they uncuff him. They bring him into the room, and he's got this computer on a cart, and he pushes the cart around across the table from me and comes around with the plug to plug it in behind me. And I'm sitting there. He hasn't said hello yet. I'm wearing my usual high heels that I wear when I work. And the first words out of his mouth to me were, you could kill someone with those shoes. Note to self, wear sneakers next time.